In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Claude app. Very simple. So you can use this for building your apps. You can use it for presentations, for your designs and the rest. So if you're new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. So this video is going to talk about everything about the Claude AI apps. And so after downloading the app, this is how the interface looks like. And you can change the models they have. Tap on the sonnet there. You can see they have Opus, and then they have this, and then they have adaptive thinking, and you can even look into more of their models here. You see 4.6 and 3 is for Pro. Yeah. So if you are doing coding and the rest, I think the 4.6 is better and the 4.7 is better. Yeah. So you'd have to pay because I think every programmer pays. So now let's tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner of our screen. And what we are going to do is you can see new chat. That's when you want to start a new chat with the AI. Chat, that's your history. So you can see I have a single chat here. And projects, just like on GPT and on Gook, you can do the same. Create a project, give it a name, and you let the AI know the stuff. So the project can be, my name is Michael, so let me make it Mike, and what you are trying to achieve. So maybe I'm Michael and I want to build a YouTube channel, and this the channel, and you give your channel data, and you can even upload stuff about the channel there. The AI is not going to forget about anything, and it's going to make sure your description here, and the files you've uploaded there is going to look through it and give you like some good sort of responses. It's not going to forget anything, something like that. It's very good. You find it on ChatGPT, Gook, and then it's on Claude. Yeah, very simple. So this is the project section, and also artifacts. When you use it continuously, you're going to see some stuff pop up here too as well. It's very simple. Now let's move to the settings. By tapping on the hamburger menu, we move to settings here. You can do a lot. You can move to your profile, you can move to billing, and you can add a card here. Tap on upgrade. You go and enter your card there. That's something financial, so I'm not going to go there. Capabilities, just tap on that. And web search, that you're going to allow Claude to get information from the internet. Code execution, that's when it generates a code for you. You want it to be able to appear in the chat, like work in the chat for you to see it's going to work. Generate memory for chat histories, that's you want to save your chat history and the rest. You can do a lot. You can do a lot with Claude. You can do a lot here. Now let's come back. And you can change your font style too as well. Let me tap on that. These are basic settings I don't need to talk about. You can log out too as well. And in your profile, that's where I think you can delete your account. And yeah, that's it. And this is your account name and all that here. Simple. That's it on how to use Claude AI app. Very simple. If you are using Android, you can get it on Google Play Store. If you are on Apple, you get it on App Play Store too as well, on App Store. Very simple. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And I think that's it for the video. Peace.